Okay, so welcome to the second part of our CRT ICT plus SMC video. So today I will be breaking down some trades for you guys, which you have been requesting to show some actual use of this strategy. So today I will be breaking down some of the trades. So first trade I would be considering this one. So firstly, I would like to recall some basics. So first thing, what would be looking for is 4-hour candle high or the low, right? So which time the 4-hour candle should be forming is either the 2 a.m. candle, either the 6 a.m. candle, or the 10 a.m. candle. We will look only the 2 a.m., 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. candles. So here I will be considering this one and this one, 2, 6 and 10. So firstly I will mark previous candle of the 2 a.m., which is the 22th candle, which has taken out by the 2 a.m. candle and forming a sell side setup. After that I will be marking the 2 a.m. candle which has been taken out by the 6 a.m. candle, and again I will mark the 6 a.m. candle which has been taken out by the 10 a.m. candle. So here we are having two setups. So let me break down onto the lower time frame. I will quickly switch to the 5 minute or the 1 minute time frame. So let me switch to the 1 minute. Is this one, the first which we marked of the 22th high has been taken out by the 2 a.m. candle. So here, after taking out the high, here it has taken out the high, but we do not have any change in state of delivery or the market structure shift or the market structure break. So this was my market structure break level. The market has not broken the low, so I will not consider it as my selling zone. So I will wait for a new break of structure or the new liquidity shift. Here too it has not broken the low, and over here I had some confirmation. Okay, this high has been taken out by the high which formed over here. So I will zoom it. So I will zoom in into it, and here I am looking for this high has taken out by this candle, and now this is the last buying candles before this selling, right? So I will mark these two candles as my order block. So this is my order block, and market has broken this low, right? And this is my breakout structure, and if I want to refine it more further, I will take this last buying candle before this sell move, right? So I will plan and sell entry over here, and my SL I would place over this high. So this would be our strongest high, or else if you want to be more safer, you can consider using this high as well. So I am keeping over here, and we are selling from this candle. And what would be my target? It would be the 1 hour recent candle, previous 1 hour low, right over here. If we see, this is the previous 1 hour low, right? So let me zoom in. So this is what we were targeting for. Yes, this will be my target. Recent 1 hour low, right? 1 hour candles low. So this was my 1:13 hour trade. And again after that, what I did was went to the 4 hour time frame. And what can I see? Here the 2 a.m. candle low has been taken out the 6 a.m. candle, right? So I will zoom in here and mark it as a 2 a.m. has been served by the 6 a.m. and plan a buy side trade on this wick, on this zone, right? So here the low has been taken out. After taking out the low, I will mark the last selling candle before this breakout structure. This breakout structure, and this was my last selling candle which made this huge displacement to the upside. So I will consider buying from here at the retest of this order block, and SL would be below this low. And what would be my target? My first target would be the recent 1 hour high, which is here, right? If you see on the 1 hour, this would be my recent 1 hour high. So this is what I will be targeting And if we look over here, well, our target has been successfully done over here, which gave us around 1 is to 6 RR. And if we continued it holding, we were having more than 1 is to 11 RR trade over here, right? If we hold about this high, and eventually it hit our all-time high target as well, which gave us 1 is to 20 RR. We are looking at the second example. Let me remove the drawings over here. And yes, here this is my second day, and here this is the 22th candle. This is the 2 a.m. candle, and this is the 6 a.m. candle. So yeah, this one is the complex one. So why is it the complex one? Because 2 a.m. has not taken out any previous candle which has given us a good entry opportunity. So here what I will look for is the liquidity. So what can I see over here is the resting liquidity over here. This, and this is the biggest candle over here, and this is the inside candle of this candle, right, for R. So what I will look for, the sweep of this candle which taken out as the liquidity. And let me quickly jump into the lower time frame. Let me jump into the 1 hour, and we can see the previous low has been taken out by the candle on the 1 hour, right? So let me now jump into the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, what I can see here is the liquidity sweep of this previous candle, right? So here, what would be my breakout structure? This will be my breakout structure over here, right? This is my breakout structure. And what will be my order block? This all selling candles would be my order block over here. So what can I do is directly enter after the breakout structure and the retest at the order block, or I will wait for some more confirmations. If I want a better entry opportunity, I will look for, okay, here we are having a liquidity sweep, and again we are having a breakout structure over here. Let me mark the breakout structure. Yes, the structure has been broken over here, and I will mark the order block which caused the breakout structure here, right? So here I will be entering, my entry would be here, SL would be below this low, and I will target around the previous candle's high or the SCR or something which is giving me approx 1 is to 5R, right? 1 is to 5R I will be targeting, and we can see we have done the 1 is to 5R trade, and eventually it went even more further, but we will be considering 1 is to 5 trade. And after that, over here the New York session begins, and New York also gave us an entry opportunity after clearing out all the liquidity which was pending over here. This flow has been taken out by the market, and after that what we can see over here is order block formed by the market, and after breaking the structure, after taking out this high over here and liquidity sweep over here, we will consider this as a breakout structure, and pullback will be our entry point at this order block. So I will again plan an entry at this pullback, right? It pullback over here, yes. So I will enter at the order block, SL below the low, and target would be my 1 hour high or the 4 hour candles high. So let me target till this high, which also gave us around 1 is to 3R, or else I would also target the SCR high, which gave us around 1 is to 6 RR trade, right? So this is how we can enter off the 1 hour or the 4 hour liquidity sweeps according to time which I have mentioned over here, the 2 a.m., 6 a.m. and the 10 a.m. candles. So I hope you gain some knowledge by these examples, and if you need more examples, let me know in the comments, and I will try to share more knowledge as much as I can in the further videos. Thanks for watching everybody, and if you have more doubts, feel free to contact me on Telegram or Instagram, link is in the bio.